Ever feel like the world's conspired against you? Everything's falling apart, relationships are crumbling, and the future looks like a foggy mess? Yeah, we've all been there. But hold on. Before you throw in the towel and join the existentialist club, let's take a deep breath and rethink this. Because guess what? Life, despite its occasional tantrums, has some evergreen lessons tucked away waiting to be discovered. Lessons that can turn that frown upside down and make you say, hey, maybe this whole life thing isn't so bad after all. Ever feel like life's just one endless string of bad news? There's a reason for that. It's called tunnel vision. We get so fixated on the bad stuff that we forget all the good things swirling around us. Remember that time you crushed that presentation? Or the spontaneous road trip with your friends that ended in laughter and starry skies? Yeah, those happen too. So break free from the negativity tunnel. Take a step back, find those happy tiles, appreciate them, and watch your mood soar. Let's face it, relationships can be messy. But here's the thing, relationships are the garden where our happiness blooms. They're the support system, the cheerleaders, the shoulders to cry on, and the hands to high-five. So instead of letting weeds of resentment choke your relationships, invest in them. Put in the effort, nurture them with communication and empathy, and watch your life blossom. Life is one giant classroom, and guess what? We're the perpetual students. Every day throws new challenges, new skills to master, new experiences to shape us. So ditch the I know it all attitude. Remember, learning isn't just about grades or degrees, it's about keeping your mind alive, your spirit young, and your horizons ever expanding. And who knows, what you learn today might just change your life tomorrow. Let's be real, money is important. It's the fuel that keeps the car of life running. But here's the key, it's just one piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. So find the balance. Learn to manage your resources, and remember, experiences and relationships often create more lasting happiness than a bigger bank account. Finally, the cherry on top happiness. It's not out there, it's within. Your mindset shapes your reality. Find joy in the little things, appreciate the journey, and remember, happiness is not a destination, it's a way of life.